Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo with a keyboard and mouse. First, understand that while not officially supported, third-party adapters make this possible. You'll need to consider your specific Nintendo console, as compatibility varies. We'll cover the essential hardware and software steps to get you started, allowing for a more precise control experience in certain game genres. This setup can significantly alter your gameplay, offering new ways to enjoy classic and modern titles. To begin, you'll need a specialized USB adapter designed for your Nintendo console, such as a Switch or Wii U. These adapters typically cost between $20 and $50. Ensure your chosen keyboard and mouse are standard USB devices, as some proprietary models might not be compatible. Connect the adapter to a free USB port on your console, then plug your keyboard and mouse into the adapter's designated ports. This physical connection is the first crucial step. Once connected, some adapters require a companion application on a computer for initial setup, while others allow direct configuration on the console. Within this software, you'll map each Nintendo controller button, like the A, B, X, and Y buttons, to specific keys on your keyboard. You can also adjust mouse sensitivity for aiming, often measured in dots per inch or DPI. After mapping, thoroughly test your new controls in a game to fine-tune responsiveness and ensure every input registers correctly. While using a keyboard and mouse offers precision, remember that not all Nintendo games are optimized for this input method. First-person shooters and strategy games often benefit most, providing a competitive edge. However, platformers or fighting games might feel less intuitive. Always consider the ergonomic setup of your desk to prevent discomfort during long gaming sessions. Experiment with different key layouts and mouse sensitivities to find what works best for your play style and chosen game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.